Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode. Today we'll be working on this 2017 Audi A4 B9 and you got the owner here. He's got a new surprise for us.
Yes, we got some new wheels for the A4. Got some 19-inch.
These are 255 35 ZR19 Savini Black Forza.
Yeah, so 4 of these wheels from Tire Rack, balanced and ready to go with the rubber. Cost about $2,500.
$2,500 shipped, right?
Yep, shipped.
Cool. So this is all mountain balanced, all ready to go. All you have to do is just get it aligned, and we should be good to go.
Yep. And one of the things we're going to consider is we may have to increase the height of the coilovers so we don't have any rubbing. But we'll see what happens once we get these guys mounted.
Yep, we'll get them mounted, take it for a spin, see how it does. We'll have to load the car with some weights. Yeah. Maybe put some, I don't know. We don't want to put no wheels, but
sandbags or something.
Yeah. And then we'll see how it goes. This is what it looks like. So these are 17-inch stock Audi wheels. It's real nice. It's nice and low. No rub right now. We did get the right offset. The offset, do you remember what the offset was?
42.
42 offset?
Right now.
Yeah, we'll put that in the comment below. Yeah, let's get them all unpacked.
Let's do it.
And let's start putting them on. And then also these are, they do have a pattern, right?
Yes, so these are left and right dependent, so it's like a pinwheel. So you got to make sure the configuration is correct on what side of the car it's on. So
Cool.
We'll have to make sure that's right.
Yep. So directional. You got 2 left and 2 right.
Yep.
Nice. All right. Let's get them unpacked.
Do it. So after inspecting these wheels, we noticed that it has 2 places to pump up the tire. So there's one right there, one right there, which is really strange. I don't know, have you guys seen this stuff before? It's definitely to pump it up, right? Yeah, if you guys know what it's for, leave it down in the comments below. We'll love to check that out.
Yeah,
it's weird.
Yeah, we'll definitely look it up. If you guys know. Regardless, we're still gonna put them on. So yeah, let's get to it.
Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I feel like the
So what do you say? How do you think it rides?
It's very similar to how it was with the larger profile.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it is a little bit more bumpy, but not by much. Maybe
much?
this road is just very smooth. For the most part,
Pretty good, huh?
pretty good. I think the coilovers really make a big difference.
Yeah, they do.
Compared to springs.
Nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, it looks very nice on the outside.
Yeah, I may still raise it using the coilovers just a little bit.
Wow. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty
Perfect offset.
good. Really worried about it. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go find them bumps. Yep. We'll also have to try and do a white turn, like over here. Man, but it drives like a dream, huh?